Hey, it's me asking here, but I know this line is somehow late, like really late. Like, but I'm kind of doing a review on Transformers Siege Ratchet. So yeah, pretty much just picked up a retool and a little bit of remode of Siege Ironhide. So, yeah. I'm just gonna prepare him to Ironhide right now. So, yeah. It's just basically the same thing. So, yeah. And his first accessories, he kind of comes with his fixer arm, basically. Plus, both can split parters. So, but if you kind of need this to be, one pretty much fixer upper arm. Also, just if you want, you can just do this if you want. Or just kind of do this. Basically, if you want, you can just put this handgun right there if you want, and basically put this here. See, it's kind of like Ratchet's kind of like how fixing someone right here. So yeah, you can just basically tell that way. So yeah, it's kind of like this all right here. It's like fixing them, but still don't know like this. But yeah. Also, pretty much I kind of like his Vigama. Looks very decent, you know, very decent. So, yeah. Hang on. So, yeah. I kind of like this weapon too, because it's pretty like going decent and all. Same with this Revika mode. So, yeah. Anyways, but let's just get into this rubber mode. So, just, do this. And that. Pull the legs out. So, put this back, fall them all the way down. So, pull this back, twist this around, 360 like so. That. This part, put the arms down, like so. And put this open and flip the head up like so. Bam. Well, here you have Ratchet in his rubber mode. So, yeah, it looks pretty decent for him. So, yeah. So basically, if you want him to do something, you can hold his other weapon that looks like a claw or a spanner, basically, and you can basically just have him do something like this if you want. But pretty sure it'd be like totally great, crazy if he had something that hot. But whatever. But I just it's prefer to go like this or so. So yeah, basically. So yeah. Anyways, Parents vs. 1000 figure looks really interesting. So, yeah. Anyways, just for comparison mode, I'll just get to that quick. Get for me, no. So, yeah. Anyways, here he is with, Ironhide. So, yeah, basically, here he is. Comparison here. That's the only thing I'm doing. So, yeah, pretty much awesome figure. Looks, pretty much cool and pretty okay, I guess. So, yeah. And it's just kind of like it. So, yeah, like a 8 out of 10 on this one. So, yeah, guys, thanks for watching my video on Transformers, WFC Cybertron Siege, Ratchet. So, yeah, guys, hope you all like it, and thanks for watching, and like and subscribe. So, yeah.